Everyone. I'm glad that you are watching us today because we're gonna do something very different, which is a keen interest of kids and parents alike in today's time. So I'm Samreen Rizvi from Clevered Institute USA, and with me is our student Sanvi from Abu Dhabi, UAE, who is known as Savvy Sanvi in her YouTube channel. Hi Sanvi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine, and how are you doing today? Hope everyone watching us is safe and healthy.
So Sanvi, what is the secret that you are sharing with us today?
Today, I'm going to share my experience and my journey into the world of coding and AI with my mentors at Clever, and what difference it brought to me. Happened when the pandemic started in 2020 and everything was online. I was studying from home, my parents were from home. We were homebound for the safety of one and all. My parents thought that technology is becoming more important than ever with the lockdown, and the future is more technology driven. That's when they decided to teach me how to code. And I joined Clever, and with every single lesson, I started to enjoy even more because I like to create new things, learn new things. That's how my journey started, and it's still continuing.
Oh Sanvi, so it's like in just 1 year you got an opportunity to intern with an University of Oxford professor, and you even became the youngest to complete the internship and got front page media coverage, right? So how do you feel about it? Like, how did you achieve so much in so little time?
I am very happy to see my parents, teachers, friends, and family are so proud of me. Coding is not very technical like we all think. Coding is a language which, if you practice daily, you become an expert in. And when I joined Clever, I learned block coding. And my mentors showed me how to use it to create useful and interesting apps. And I also took part in the Google and IBM workshop where I created projects using coding. After 8 months, I started learning AI with my teacher who helped me to understand every single concept clearly. I enjoy using my AI skills so much that I got the opportunity for the internship and I grabbed it. Mr. Ken Khan was so nice.
Wow. And why do you think that it's important to learn coding? And what is it that you suggest to the children should learn first?
Technology is the future. It helped me to understand the basics of computing, and I now understand how things work using coding. Technology is deep and wide, so I have taken my first step into this magnificent world. And let me tell you, every day is new. I created games, quizzes, and even interactive apps with coding. I started doing my school projects using code. So that, I think we should learn block coding because here the codes are in blocks. So it looks like we're joining pieces of a puzzle to make a full app. Of course, you need logic and reasoning to create what you are doing. I can teach you if you want.
What's next after coding?
You see, different people do things differently, but I can share what I did. I did 4 levels in coding so far to understand it well and strengthen my concept and understanding. Then I started to learn AI. trying to apply my intelligence on machines, AI is like a deep ocean. You can dive in it with your creativity and use it to solve many problems. Be it people problem, nature problem, it really enhances our problem solving and analytical skills.
What you have to say to our peers, like at what age should we learn coding in AI?
There is no fixed age to start learning anything. The earlier we start, the better for us. I just grabbed the opportunity I got during pandemic, and now I am planning to achieve more in this field because I find it interesting. And I find it interesting because my mentors made it easy and fun for me to learn and grow. It's not a lecture but interactive sessions where we talk, exchange ideas, and then learn to build our ideas using codes. I have learned from so many mentors and clever, and I love attending my classes. Every class is super fun and we learn so many things. I would say everyone should learn this and learn with me at Clever. The more the merrier.
Wow, Sanvi, you are truly so amazing and so smart and so good to hear from you and your journey. All the best, Rockstar. Savvy Sanvi, So see you soon with more interesting experiences. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.